All right, number 6. A company is setting its direct material and direct labor standards. And in this one, they want to know what the direct labor cost standard is. All right, so we don't need any of the direct material stuff. Basic wages of the assembly line personnel are $19 an hour. Payroll taxes are 23% of wages. So your direct labor cost per hour is going to be your 19 plus the 19 times 23%. So 19 plus 437. So 23.37 per hour. All right, number 7. Number 7 wants to know the direct materials cost variance. All right, so I think the best way to set these up is the 3 levels. So actual cost times actual quantity, standard cost times times actual quantity, and then standard cost times standard quantity. All right, this one wants the cost variance. So that's the first level because the only thing that's changing from one level to the next one is the cost. So this would give us our cost variance. Okay, so let's fill in the blanks. These are the standards. $2 pounds per unit at $12 per pound for material. They produce 3,000 units. They use 6,500 pounds of materials, and the total material cost was $99.6. So they actually gave us this number. So this is $99.6. All right, my standard cost was $12 a pound, and I actually used 6,500 pounds. So that equals 78,000. Then subtract, and our variance is 21,600. And it's unfavorable. All right, I'm a little bit off from these answers over here because they backed into what they paid per unit, and I just use these actual numbers, so that's okay. All right, this is our direct material cost variance. All right, number 8. This one wants the efficiency variance, all right, and it's a little different problem. So the efficiency variance, if you remember from up here, is the quantity, is the difference in the quantity that you use basically. So it's the second level to the third level. So I'm just gonna write that little part out. So it's standard cost times actual quantity versus standard cost times standard quantity. Okay. So direct materials, they should have paid $11 a pound, and they actually used 7,500 pounds. All right, my standard cost is still $11. All right, but the question is how much material should they have used? Okay, they produced 4,000 units, and it should have taken them 1 pound. So your standard quantity up here, I'm gonna write over here. Your standard quantity is actual units produced times the amount per unit, the standard amount per unit. Okay, so they actually produced 4,000 units, and they should only have used 1 pound. So that's 4,000 pounds. So multiply that out, then you subtract. And the difference here is 38,500. And it's unfavorable because I used 7,500 pounds and I should only have used 4,000 pounds.